Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing all of your sent friend requests on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will be showing you how to do this on the Facebook app, but the settings will be the same on desktop too. Open up the Facebook app and tap on the three lines button at the bottom right of the homepage. If you are on Android, then the three lines button will be at the top right of the page. Then tap on Friends. Tap on Requests at the top left of the page. This is a list of friend requests that have been sent to you. Tap on the three dots button in the top right corner and then tap on View Sent Requests. Here is the list of friend requests you have sent that have not been accepted. To cancel the request, just tap on Cancel below their name. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.